all about kind of budgeting, budget friendly. This pack was $11.94. It was $3.15 a pound, which is more than I like to pay. But the ones with the skin on were $2.90. So $2.90 to $3.15. I said, oh, we'll just go ahead and get these because we're having chicken strips and fajitas tonight. So you don't need the bone and the skin to make your chicken taste more meaty, right? So I just cut this off. That piece cut off. I'll do the same to the other piece, and then I'll wash them, and then we'll be right back. And now we've got our kind of fatty piece cut off and then washed. So now this is what we do. We take a good long sharp knife and we just split down. Be better if my cutting board wasn't moving so much, but anyhow, we split down, make a good fillet, and then this is still kind of thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut just a little bit more, another piece. Maybe my cutting board will be still enough I can cut it. You don't have to get both of them exactly good, guys. They don't have to be. We just want to cut like fillets. Like that. Okay. Now for the other pieces, like this is what we have left. Now we're making chicken strips. So I literally just cut it in fingers. I don't cut it in big old huge pieces. We're trying to make this go further, guys. I'm just showing you how you can make it go further. Now we're gonna get the rest cut up. We'll be back. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you something. When I cut this one like this, these big long pieces, my knife is not all that sharp, and this cutting board is not conducive to good cuts either. But anyhow, then I'll take and cut it in half. So we just have little pieces. Again, I just take and cut it. And then cut. Just like that. Alright? Guys, Wilder's here mixing up our egg and milk. We used 2 eggs because they were smaller. About 3/4 a cup of milk. Okay? Alright, that's where we're at right now. Guys, now we're going to salt our chicken. As you know, just, yeah, right now. That'll be fine. Yeah, let me use. I'm going to use his. Yeah, I'm going to use his thing. Yeah, baby. I'm going to use this so I don't put my fingers in it, my hands in it. But you do want this chicken, and you do want it salted. Okay, now we're going to turn it over to them. Apparently Mo's not going to help. That's okay. Okay, we're going to put some flour in here in the chicken. Y'all can kind of guesstimate however much you want. Wait. Okay, she wants to do the flour. Let her do the flour. Just wait a minute. Okay, okay, guys. She's gonna mix the chicken up in the. Pay attention what you do. Woo! Okay. Yeah, but it's gotta get all in there. You want all your chicken covered in flour.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be back. We'll get it done. She's gonna take. No, she's gonna bring it to you. She's gonna take her chicken and put it in his flour. I mean, put it in his egg. Just put it in. Okay. Don't drop it. That's okay. Keep going. Lower it in.
Okay. Don't move.
Hey. We're not whining. It's okay. Let Mammy help you. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, just go ahead and put it all in there. Just go ahead and put it all in there. We'll be back. They're going to change the floured chicken over to the egg. Guys, now Wilder's going to take his chicken and put it back in Mo's flour, and she's going to get it all mixed up. And then I'm going to get Mo a plate.
Me too.
Here's your plate. Put your chicken on when you get. You don't need a plate. Mo does. Now when you get your chicken mix, put it in there.
Here, do it.
Now mix it up.
Mix it up.
Start with this water.
No,
Yeah.
I would let her do it.
I need
Get it all.
too. I want some.
Alright, now put it in here.
Put it in there. Okay, mix it up, Mo, and put it over on your plate. There you go. Get it all good and covered.
You know what I want to do with that? You want to do with my
Well, do it with your
Some
hand.
chicken.
You gonna have chicken.
Baba.
Y'all know Mo likes to get in there with her hands.
Baba.
Like making biscuits. That's enough. Wait until she gets some of them out of there. All right, we'll be back when they're all floured, guys. Talk to them.
Hi.
Tell them what you're doing. Let's get started now.
Mommy, look at popping.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's too much.
Oh, the tea needs to be put on. Okay, guys.
Mommy, it's too much right there.
Okay. Okay. All right. Now
Mommy, that's
we're
too
fixing to
much.
put our chicken. Oh, it's okay.
Baba.
We're fixing to put our chicken in.
Can
Now.
I do it?
I don't know that it's hot enough. Oh yeah.
I need hot.
But you just kind of shake it off
Mommy,
before you
I
put it
need
in there.
hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Oh, wait.
And then I'll show you. I'll be back. Let me show you putting it in.
We got cold chicken.
Good chicken.
It's a little chicken bone.
All right, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, and we're just going to keep the chicken kind of turned around. We're just looking for a light brown color. You can't see him. You got to see him too. Oh boy, you got to see him. Tell him, hey,
Hi.
I love helping Mammy. All right, we'll be right back when we take it up. Okay, okay, guys, this is what we're looking for. Just a light brown because it's small, it's chicken, it fries fast, and we just don't want to leave it in there too long, okay? We'll be back. Okay, Hey guys, there's our cooked chicken. That's what 2 chicken breasts turned out to be. Look at that. Look at all that chicken. It can be done.